Hey, what's up, cooking community? I am the general cooking and stuff, yeah. Yeah, so this is gonna be a really simple one, something people can all do, but yeah, so we're doing pizza rolls, I don't know how to say it, Tostino's pizza rolls, yeah, sure, pizza rolls, anyway. Yeah, we're gonna be using an air fryer, the Farberware air fryer. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys how I make it. They turn out really not too hot, but you know, comfortable. So let's get to it. All right, so I mean, I kind of already just ate, but I'm gonna do this, you know, because I feel like doing a video. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and open this right there. There we go. Get that all prepped and stuff. Cool. All right, open that up. Don't know how well I'll be able to, I don't have my tripod right now, so I don't know how well I'll be able to do this. Okay. Okay. Yeah, stuff like that. Hey, that seems like a really good quantity right there, right? Pretty good amount. All right, kind of just spread them around. All right, coolio. And it is plugged in, so we're good to go. All right, so now the setting I like to be at is completely at 400. What, you want that? And then what I usually like to do is take it to like between 5 and 10 to like, you know, there-ish. And yeah, I'll come back and do this when we're ready. Alright, we are completely done. So let's go ahead and take a look at one of these. Wow, man. The air fryer really does wonders. That's some pretty good stuff right there. Feels pretty crispy too, so let's go ahead and give it a taste test, why don't we? Man, I love me some pizza rolls. Wow, I love that air fryer. Hey, comment down below. Let me know if you want me to do some more air fryer videos. If you'd like, you know, some actually not some freezer made stuff, but actually like custom, you know, made. Just let me know in the comments below. And yeah, also subscribe to Cooking with James. Subscribe to Easy Baked Barbecue, Cooking with CJ. That's all I can think of off the top of my head. Oh, Daddy Dutch Barbecue and Cooking, Smoking and Grilling with AB, and a bunch of other people. Links are all in the description below. That cooking community is so amazing. I mean, that's only a small portion of the people that I just named. There's a crap ton more. I'm not kidding either. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. And yeah, subscribe for more. Turn on post notifications. Hey, what's up? First cooking video. Not really much to this one. It's probably going to be really short. But yeah, so for those of you who like air fryer videos, there's an air fryer right there. It's the actually, you can see right here. It's the Farberware. I can't even really pronounce it that well. I've been trying. Anyways, we're gonna do